Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Guitar. We have a great song here from 21 Pilots. We had them recently here, this couple of days, from the new song called Breach. This is perhaps the one that I need to have on Guitar. Probably the best song, in my opinion. Garbage, alright? A great song and very fun to play as well. So let's go into this together. We have a capo on the first fret, absolute best scenario for us. Let's go through the chords. I believe we have 7 chords, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, let's start with it. D minor, that is the first chord, and it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. A minor next. A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C. So third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G as well. So that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also got the GB chord. That is basically the same chord, but we have this B note in the bass instead. So do like this, just take away the third fret E string. You don't incorporate that E string at all, but everything else below there from the G chord, you keep that there, and that's the GB chord, all right? So that's that. Then we have the F chord. That's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. And then I believe we have just one more left, and that is the C-E chord. So basically a C, we learned that already. Alright, and now incorporate also the E string in the bass, and keep that open. So everything now, hold the grip as C and play all strings, and there you have the C-E. Alright, so we're gonna work with just downs here for strumming. So let's start right away with this main part of the song, and that is to play verse/chorus play. It's played in the same way. So the chord progression here will be D minor to A minor to C to G. Okay, so you're gonna play D minor 5 times, 5 downs, then A minor 3 downs, then C 5 downs, and G 3 downs. So D minor 5, A minor 3, C 5, G 3. Slowly like this. Again, D 4 5, A 2 3, C 4 5, G 2 3. Alright, so that is the main pattern in this song, the verse and chorus play. Then we have the pre-chorus in between there, starts about 41 seconds in. At least I believe this is the pre-chorus. Anyway, let's learn it. 41 seconds in, yeah, I'm biting down, that's where on the lyrics. So what you're gonna play now is the F, 16 downs. So you can imagine or think in clusters of 4 downs. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. All right, so you will probably feel it once you get the hang of it. So F 16 downs, C 8 downs, then G 8 downs. That's the first half of this pre-chorus. The second half will be F 8, A minor 8, the GB 8, and G 8. And that's the second half, and that's it when it comes to the pre-chorus. So to summarize, F16, C8, G8, then F8, A minor 8, GB 8, and G8, like this. notice when I'm playing these 4 downs, I like to separate the downs from each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The third down in all of these 1, 2, 3, 4s, I play on the higher strings. So that's the higher strings, and this is the bass strings, and there you're gonna play for all the other downs. So 1, 2, and 4 on the bass, 1, 2, and then 3, and bass 4. So some technicalities there if you wish, that's how I do it, but the main thing is to keep the chord progressions correct and the timing of chord switches. So F16 and so on, that's the more important thing. Anyway, that is what's going on, and then at 1 minute and 30 seconds in, we have that pre-chorus play starting, and the end of this round here at 1 minute and 30 seconds is a little different. So you're gonna start in the same way. You play the F16, the C8, the G8, then F8, A minor 8. So far it's the same, but then you have D minor 16, and then G8 plus 1 extra down and the pause. And that's the end of it. So you come here from F16, C8, G8, and then you start again, F8. I'm going to play from there on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then A minor 8. Then D minor 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and G. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, and the pause. Okay, so that is this pre-chorus. That starts at 1 minute and 30 seconds in. And right after that comes the bridge part. Okay? So now you're just gonna take down the tempo a little bit and play 2 downs per chord. Okay? All the way to the last chord here of this bridge part. So it starts about 1 minute and 54 seconds in. It goes like F, 2, then the CE, 2, then G, 2, and D minor, 2, and then F, 2, the CE, 2, and G, 1 down on that one, and pause. And that's the end of the bridge part. And from now on, you're just gonna go into this verse/chorus play, the beautiful D minor, A minor, C, G, 1 round, 2 rounds, maybe 3 rounds, I'm not sure. Till the very end, you're gonna play that. And there you have it, guys. 21 Pilots, Garbage. Great song. It's so fun to play. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.